Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and now we're going to start creating the box assembly with all our parts. The first step is to go to the plus sign, and then we're going to go to the plus sign, go to create assembly, and change the name to assembly box. Okay, and that will tell us what it is when we look at it. Okay, once we have the name changed, you're going to insert all the parts that we need. So we're going to go insert. Position does matter, but it's not when you insert it, but it's not the most important thing. So I'm going to start off by inserting, I think, the sides. Here's one side. I'm going to do two sides. Here's a second side. I'm going to do a top. I'm going to try to place it on top. I need a bottom. I'm going to try to place it towards the bottom, and a back, which I'm going to keep all the way here. Once you have all these pieces, you could go check, and we're going to fix one of these pieces so that it doesn't wiggle around. I'm going to do the side piece. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go fix. Okay. Now that we have the side piece fixed, part of the reason why I picked the side piece is that it's 4x4, so it doesn't really matter the orientation. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to try to mate the top to the side piece. So I'm going to go to the mate, fasten mate, then I'm going to zoom in on the side. So I have the whole square outlined, just like I do now. And you see that blue little stick? I want it to be on the outside edge, okay? It's on the outside edge. Now I'm going to pick where I want my top part to attach. It's also going to be on the outside edge. So I'm going to the underside, and I'm going to move it along the white dots until I get to the outside edge that should line up. So let's see what happens. Okay. Obviously, it does not look like it's supposed to, but that's okay. We're going to start off by changing the primary axes. Okay, we did. Actually, I think it was right the first time. We're going to try by rotating the secondary axes. So that kind of looks good. Let me see how it looks. And that is exactly how we want it to be. We want the whole top to be on the top part and the side to attach to it on the bottom. So now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm going to do the isometric view. I'm going to zoom in on my top piece. Well, I forgot to do mate. I'm going to now select the top part, and I want to be on the outside edge. Okay, done. Now I'm going to flip this because we want it to be under. And again, I want to travel along those white pieces until I get to the same edge where they're supposed to attach. And it looks like it worked the first time. Okay, let's look at it isometrically. And we have the top and we have the two sides. Okay. The next piece that we're going to attach is going to be the bottom. So I'm going to select the bottom. Oh, I forgot to do mate again. Fasten mate, select the bottom, select the blue piece, okay? And then go to the bottom of the side. Sometimes you really have to zoom in to get it right. Don't be scared to do that. You might need a mouse. There it is. No, I want to be on the outside edge, so I'm slowly going to move it. So there we go. And it does not look great, but I'm going to try to see if I could fix it before I start again. So I'm going to try rotating it. And that actually looks right. So all I need to do is rotate the secondary axes, and I'm going to go check. So let's look at it isometrically. This is exactly what we want. We want the bottom, the sides, and the top. And now we're going to attach the back. It does not matter whether we attach the front or whether we attach it to the back. It does not matter which side, because everything's symmetrical. Okay, so I'm going to do fasten mate. I'm going to select the red side, and I'm going to go to the top over here. Now I'm going to I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I need to first, not the edge, I want the whole rectangle. There we go. No, I have to get the whole, there we go, the whole rectangle. There we go. And we want the blue piece sticking out. And let's see what we have here. It is, let's try, let me see what happens when I change the axes. No. See what happens when we do the secondary axes. And let's see that. So it is in, but it does not look great. So let's see if we could fix it. Okay, I think the mistake that was made was that the back, I'm going to delete the back should be inside it and flush. I think I attached it to the wrong spot. So I'm going to delete the fasten for it now moves again. And this time I'm going to do fasten mate. I'm going to select the bottom and the inside edge for the fasten. And now I'm going to go to the bottom. And instead of being on the outside, I think actually we're going to be on the outside. So let me get it out here. Wow, first time. Got it right away. And let me move this little recording icon. I'm going to check, and it looks like our box is completed. Just let's look down, and beautiful. This is great.